What's the matter with you, boy?
They won't let me go to blackout. They say I'm too little, and no one ever lets you do anything when you're too little.
Ah, phooey. What about all the stories about the little people that do big things? Like Little Red Riding Hood, them Three Little Pigs, Spike Lee, or them Little Rascals. You ever hear the story about the little engine that could? Let me tell you that story. Once upon a time, deep, deep in the jungle, there was a little engine that could. And he was chugging his way across the enemy line. Chugga, 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 toot, toot. This little engine mission was to take some AK-47s and a nuclear payload over the mountain to the 2063 Battalion. Needless to say, there was plenty opposition. You think that stopped the little engine that could? No sirree, Bob. He just kept chugging along. Chugga, 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 chugga. Toot, toot. Not even when they climbed aboard the train and popped out the eyes of the conductor, and blood and snot was ripping out his eye sockets. You think that stopped the little engine that could? Damn Skippy, he just kept chugging along. Chugga, 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 toot, toot. It wasn't until Charlie rigged the bridge with plastic explosive. Just as the little engine was making its way across the trestle, boom! An explosion happened. And blood and guts and spit and ass was everywhere. And Bubba come crawling out the back door. Both legs missing. Lula Mae, baby boy. He looked up at me. He said, "Hey, I can't feel my legs." I said, "Bubba, they ain't there." And I looked down, and them little bloody nubs was kicking real fast like this here. And I said, "Bubba, it's 30 miles to the nearest town. Unless you can flip upside down and walk on your hands, you ain't gonna make it." All of a sudden, Charlie was all over the place. Just me and my sidearm. And I had no other alternative but to blast my way out. Die, pig, die! You'll never take Major Vincent Winter for Payne alive! Bam! I know what you did to my friend! Bam! Major! 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 Bam! Hello, Miss Walburn. You just missed a little bedtime story.
No, I didn't, actually. In fact, I'd love to talk to you about that story. Perhaps over dinner?
Okay.
Okay, I'll go get ready.
Me too.
Okay.
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 Bye. To be continued. When I come back, I'll tell you what Bubba used as a penis.